the reason why these companies are on platforms like sharesale.com, which is an affiliate network, is because they're looking for performance marketers, right? They're looking for people like you and me who create content, drive traffic to their websites, and get a commission in exchange, right? So clearly these companies are looking for, for marketing, for growth. And if you can think one step ahead everybody else, and you can say, you know what, I want to create the go-to place for this specific company, then you partner with them. Maybe you send them a sneaky little email. Maybe you start developing a relationship with them, right? You start collecting email lists, and you say, hey, by the way, I know there are competitors out there for this, but I like you guys and I want to only work with you. They're going to love you, bro. They're going to
Yeah,
love you.
yeah, you're fully dedicated to them, basically.
Yeah, of course. And then eventually, guess what? If you're sending them enough traffic and they're paying you whatever 6, 10, 15% commission, then you can say eventually, hey, by the way, why do you guys keep paying me commissions? Why don't you just buy me out? I got this resources. It's not tied to my face. It's branded, right? I got a website. I got an email list. I got a YouTube. I'm sending you, a couple of thousand clicks a month. You guys are paying me consistently this much. Let's just multiply this by 30 and just buy me out.
Yeah, but I must say, with this niche, I probably won't attach myself to one brand. Because
Okay.
they only have like 70,000 views, like visitors, which is not that many. And if you check like the whole market, the whole kids toys market, it's much wider. And I think you can find much bigger fish that has more search volume. I think, like otherwise you're limiting yourself to one brand, which can also be like if they don't buy you out, you have a full YouTube channel dedicated to Picolio, and they're not buying you out.
Yeah.
So I would do more brands, but I think the niche focus is good, and then like reach out to multiple brands that fit within your ideal partnership. And then like once you already have some authority, then maybe you can dedicate to one brand, maybe because they've shown interest. Like I think it's maybe you need to be careful to dedicate to a brand without them knowing you're going to dedicate.
No, of course, and that's the reason why I said that. I think, before you commit to one specific company, you want to start establishing a relationship, right? So send them an email, maybe invite them for a call, meet the people face to face who it is that are building this company, and then you can say, hey, by the way, I have this idea to create this resource. It's going to have, organic SEO traffic on a video, on a website, and an email list. What do you guys think about it, right? Because they're interested in that as well. They can perhaps offer you some discounts, some special coupon codes that your audience can use, et cetera, right? So this is kind of the idea here. But it's a good point, of course, to look at the total market and see who are the different players there and pick your choice. Talk to different ones and see who are the ones that you like the most and go with them, right?